The value that 1 mole refers to, 6.022 times 10 to the 23, is called Avogadro's constant, named after a famous Italian scientist called Avagadro. The number itself was never actually proposed by Avagadro. It is named after him, however, because he laid the foundation for the idea of the mole. Avogadro proposed the idea that the volume of space occupied by a particular number of molecules of a gas is the same as the volume of space occupied by the same number of molecules of a different gas, at the same temperature and pressure. This idea was later linked to relative atomic mass, and the link showed that if the masses of two samples were in the same ratio as their relative masses, the number of atoms in each sample would be the same. For example, in 1 gram of hydrogen, there is the same number of atoms as there are in 12 grams of carbon, as the masses of each sample are in the same ratio as their relative masses to each other, 1 to 12. It was then discovered much later that when the mass of an element in grams is the same as its relative mass, 1 for hydrogen, 12 for carbon for example, the actual number of atoms present is, you may have guessed this one coming, 6.022 times 10 to the 23, and this value was called Avogadro's constant, and is now used to describe 1 mole.